Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your investing skills with Skillshare easy tutorial step by step clearly. To upgrade your investing skills with Skillshare, start by visiting the Skillshare website or downloading the app on your device. Create a free account by signing up with your email or linking your social media accounts. Once logged in, explore the search bar at the top of the screen. Type in keywords such as investing, stock market, or financial literacy to find relevant courses. Review the search results to identify courses that align with your interests and skill level. Click on a course title to view its details, including the course description, instructor information, and reviews from other students. Take note of the course duration and format, whether it includes video lectures, projects, or community discussions. Enroll in the course by clicking the Enroll Now button. Once enrolled, access the course materials by navigating to your dashboard. Start with the introductory lessons to build a foundational understanding of the topic. As you progress, take notes on key concepts and strategies that resonate with you. Participate in any class projects or assignments to apply what you've learned in a practical way. Engage in the Skillshare community by utilizing the discussion boards to ask questions and share insights. Consider exploring additional courses on advanced investing strategies once you've completed a foundational course. Set aside regular time each week to dedicate to your learning and stay consistent in your studies. Track your progress and revisit lessons as needed to solidify your understanding. As you gain confidence, seek out real-world investing opportunities to practice your newly acquired skills. Use the insights and techniques from your Skillshare courses to make informed investment decisions. Continue to expand your knowledge by exploring new topics and trends in the investing world. Stay curious and open-minded as investing is an ever-evolving field. By leveraging the resources and community on Skillshare, you can significantly enhance your investing skills. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.